Christine Kim, who were recently featured, if they look familiar to you, on The Property Brothers. When The Property Brothers came here to Austin, they did about 20 houses, and Paul and Christine actually were one of the lucky ones that they got picked. So I caught up with them, and let me ask you guys, what are some of the top 3 things that you would consider when beginning something like renovating your home? I mean, it's a pretty big undertaking.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I think the most important thing has to be that you have to get a contractor that you can really trust and know they do quality work.
Yeah, I mean, and not just the contractor too, but you have to consider like what subcontractors they use and if they have insurance, you know, all that good stuff. I think we've heard a lot of horror stories with friends who did renovations and just totally were taken advantage of, or you know, their projects were just messed up. And so I think it's really important that you make sure you know the person and you trust them and you've seen their work, and you know they'll back up their work too.
Yeah, and I remember in the show there was a moment when you guys had a few mishaps, and I would imagine that getting some good guidance and getting some really solid and affordable options on different directions, how to approach those things, definitely going to be part of someone you trust, I imagine, right?
Yeah, definitely.
What else would you have? What number 2?
I think for sure, like the biggest thing that we learned when we did the renovation was that no matter how much you plan, there's always going to be something that pops up that you don't expect. So expect the unexpected. I mean, it might be your budget. Like, we definitely paid more than we thought we would. Things came up during the renovation that we didn't expect, and so just expect that something might happen that you're not planning for.
Okay. And in our case, you know, we had termites that we didn't expect, so we had to get that treated and taken care of.
Yeah,
you know,
so budget accordingly too. So you have to make sure that you
have a contingency and a buffer for yourself.
Okay, yeah, that's good. And maybe I can just ask as a third one. You know, when you're doing something of this magnitude, I would imagine that your future, your plans, your lifestyle would all be something you probably want to take into account.
Oh, for sure. I mean, for us, we had a small kid, so it wouldn't, you know, we had to take in, like for Paul especially, like he wanted to make sure that the materials suited that. You know, you had to get like durable materials for little kids, you know.
Yeah, I mean, for us it was a choice of either wood floors or tile floors, and wood would have been destroyed, I mean, within the first couple of months that we were in the house.
And so like planning, you know, for kids or
even the
layout,
even the layout, and like for us, we like to entertain. So I mean, that's something definitely you need to consider. Like, what do you want to use the house for? I mean, for us, having a really good kitchen is important, but maybe not so much like a good master suite.
Right.
You know, and so we definitely focused on that and put more money into that. And then, you know, so that's definitely something you need to consider. Like, what are you going to use the house for?
No, that's awesome. Okay, so someone that you trust, have a buffer, because you very well may go over. And definitely planning for the future, kids, entertaining, making sure the home and the renovations fit your lifestyle.
Right.
That's awesome insight. Thank you so much, guys, for sitting with us today. If you like this, if it's helpful for you, like it, forward it to somebody else, and check out some of the other blogs we have on the Must See Top 3 video blog that I got. And if you need any questions answered, feel free to reach out. My information is on the video and also all over the page. I look forward to chatting with you soon. Thanks.